Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to begin the lesson When People Rebel, and the topic we'll be dealing here are spread of the rebellion, and those places are Jhansi, Kanpur, Arrah, and Bareilly. Okay, these are the four places we are going to see that there was a rebellion. So let us see who are the leaders for this rebellion. So first we will see today is spread of the rebellion, that the main centers of the rebellions were Jhansi, Kanpur, Arrah, and Awadh. Keep in mind these four places. And now let us see the Jhansi. What happened in Jhansi? So we see that Rani Lakshmibai is considered to be the greatest leader of the rebellion. Where? In Jhansi. After the death of her husband, she became the regent of her 5 years old son. Of course, however, who was that? Actually, the son was adopted one. Okay, so that was the problem. However, the British refused to recognize the right of her adopted son, keep in mind, to the throne, because doctrine of lapse was already introduced at that time. She was helped by Tantia Tope. Keep in mind, Tantia Tope, he wanted to help her, but British was too powerful, so she fought gallantly, means vigorously. Okay, but Jhansi was captured by British and she died while fighting on the battlefield. So that you keep in your mind, dear students. Okay, so this is what we know about Jhansi. Now we are going to see about Kanpur. Okay, the uprising was led by Nana Sahib. Keep in your mind, Nana Sahib, his name should be remembered, the adopted son of Bajirao II. Okay, so he was successful in expelling the British. He carried on the fight with British, okay, and was assisted by his trusted general, keep in mind, Tantia Tope again, and other officers like Azimullah Khan. Okay, Azimullah Khan also assisted to Nana Sahib. Okay, and though they fought bravely, Kanpur was captured by British and Nana Sahib refused to surrender. He refused to surrender and ultimately he escaped to Nepal. Keep in mind. Okay, so this is what happened in Kanpur. Now let us see what happened in Arrah. Okay, the rebellion was led by Rajput Jamindar Kunwar Singh. Okay, a Rajput, he was Rajput and his name was Kunwar Singh in Arrah. Okay, that is in Bihar actually. That is in Bihar. He led the movement in Oudh. Okay, that Oudh also keep in mind, as well as central India. He was successful at places in Bihar but died fighting a fierce battle against the British in 1858. Fierce fighting means fearlessly fought with the British and ultimately he died. Okay, now we are going to see Bareilly. Okay, that is the place name. Bhakt Khan led the rebellion at Bareilly. Keep in mind, Bhakt Khan is the main person in Bareilly. He continued fighting till he died. Okay, Bareilly, the place where this Bhakt Khan died by fighting. Okay, very little things are given about him. Keep in mind. Now we'll be seeing about Awadh. Okay, Awadh is here, and Begum Hazrat Mahal was the leading spirit behind the uprising in Awadh. Okay, keep in mind, Begum Hazrat Mahal was the leading spirit and she was a lady. Okay, keep in mind, she was held by Ahmadullah Shah. Okay, keep this name also, and Maulavi from Fajiabad. These two people helped this Begum Hazrat Mahal. Okay, the Awadh forces besieged the residency at Lucknow, but after a severe battle, Lucknow was recaptured by British. Okay, March 1858, and the Begum escaped to Nepal. So basically, whatever we are seeing, they escaped to Nepal because they could not face the Britishers as they were so powerful. Okay, So thank you, dear students. Thank you very much. If you have not understood any of the points, you can ask us so that we can clarify your points. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a great day.